Number 1.
Conspiracy hologram. The best example of conspiracy hologram is the Project Blue Beam. This conspiracy theory was first proposed by two Canadian journalists, Cuba Soy and Serge Monast, in 1994. After 2 years, mysteriously both died due to heart attack. If you remember the event where the dark floating skyscrapers appeared within clouds above China, then you are all well aware of this conspiracy theory. NASA launched 4 holographic satellites. Those satellites can produce holographic images by simultaneously focusing on a single region of the Earth. How will it work? The answer is that the holographic laser beam can ionize air molecules of a particular region, so that local people will be able to see the hologram. This conspiracy claims that NASA is attempting to implement a new age religion with the Antichrist as its head and start a new world order via a technologically simulated second coming. This secret mission wants to control the entire population with fears of alien attacks by misusing religious prophetics and archaeological knowledge of all dominant faith. If this technology is real, then it should be number 1 on our countdown list. Thanks for watching.